He kept whipping me with it. His dog puked. It was disgusting.
And then he pooped too, and then he ate the puke. Not the poop.
That was nasty. He puked, and then he puked.
And then he ate the puke.
And he ate the puke.
Puke.
It's kind of disgusting because he kept hacking, but nothing came out.
Yeah, and then all of a sudden he ran while he hacked, and they were
and he started going, and then he's facing us, right? And we were both looking at him. He goes, he opens his mouth and it was nasty.
We say this at 12 minutes when people would probably stop watching by now.
I know. We should probably
delete some.
Oh no. Just chop out the middle of it.
Pull a Benihana on our ass, man.
I'm going there for my birthday dinner.
You want to shut up? I want to go.
You're not going because I don't have enough people at the table. I will. That's next Friday. That's in a week.
I will slap.
Dude, I'm getting hella. I'm getting a bunch of cake next Friday, and you can't have any because I'm saving up for my feelings. Dude.
Oh, laptop's gonna. Look how late you are compared to me.
I know. Look at this.
Let's put this on the table. I don't like you anymore.
My ears.
Oh my god. We're such bad friends. I actually heard that one. Something. Wait, dude, it didn't even move. I like 30 Rock.
Sexually transmitted crazy mouth. That's a new disease.